SmartLeadMagnet AI has just been released and it's already causing a stir in the digital marketing space. But is it really worth the hype? In this SmartLeadMagnet AI review, I'm going to walk you through 7 crucial things you need to know about this new AI software, so you can decide if it's the game changer you've been waiting for. Stick around to the end, because I'll also be sharing a special offer where you can try it for free. First off, SmartLeadMagnet AI is designed to make lead generation faster and smarter by automating much of the work that marketers spend hours doing. It uses cutting-edge artificial intelligence to help you target your ideal audience more effectively, creating personalized lead magnets in minutes. And by the end of this video, you'll see why this is a tool you definitely want to consider adding to your arsenal. The software allows you to create high-converting lead magnets quickly, which can be the key to skyrocketing your lead generation efforts. Whether you're offering ebooks, checklists, templates, or any other type of downloadable resource, SmartLeadMagnet AI helps you craft them in record time, without the need for a graphic designer or copywriter. Another important feature is the built-in AI that customizes your content based on user behavior and preferences. This means you can create hyper-targeted lead magnets that speak directly to the needs and interests of your audience, increasing the chances they'll engage with your offer. This kind of personalization has been proven to drastically improve conversion rates. So if you're tired of generic content that doesn't perform, this is a major win. The software also integrates seamlessly with your existing marketing tools like email marketing platforms and CRMs. So no need to worry about a steep learning curve or complex setups. Everything flows smoothly from lead generation to follow-up, making SmartLeadMagnet AI a complete solution for your marketing efforts. Now let's talk about the ease of use. For anyone who's hesitant about trying new AI software, SmartLeadMagnet AI is surprisingly user-friendly. You don't need to be a tech expert or have a deep understanding of AI to get started. Its intuitive interface makes it easy for anyone, regardless of their experience level, to jump in and start creating high-quality lead magnets that deliver results. One thing I want to mention is how SmartLeadMagnet AI helps with scaling. When you're working with leads at scale, it can be hard to maintain the level of personalization and engagement that you need to convert them. This software takes care of that for you by automating processes without sacrificing quality, making it easier to handle larger campaigns without burning out. But what about results? Well, SmartLeadMagnet AI's lead magnets aren't just pretty, they're built to convert. Through AI-driven analytics, you can track how your lead magnets are performing in real time and make data-driven decisions to optimize your campaigns. This level of insight allows you to continuously improve your strategy and drive better outcomes. Now, you might be wondering if this software is actually for you. If you're a small business owner, digital marketer, or even an entrepreneur looking to grow your email list and generate more qualified leads, SmartLeadMagnet AI could be a game changer. It's especially beneficial for anyone who's tired of manually creating lead magnets and wants to speed up the process without compromising on quality. Before you go, I want to remind you that you can try SmartLeadMagnet AI completely free using the first link in the description below. Plus, after trying thousands of AI tools, I've compiled my personal list of the best AI software you can use to elevate your business. Check the description for my top recommendations and make sure you don't miss out on these incredible offers. So, that's it for this SmartLeadMagnet AI review. Hopefully, you now have a solid understanding of what this software can do and why it's worth your time. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit that link and start your free trial today.